Hi YouTube, my name is Sherry, and in today's video we are going to be talking about these two cuties right here. This is the Coach Anna Foldover Crossbody Bag, and if you buy this from, depending on which site you buy it, either from the Coach boutique or the outlet store, the name changes, but the bag is pretty much the same. So I think on the Coach website it's actually called the Hayden Crossbody Bag. And it looks like this. It is very similar to a wallet on chain, or that's what I would consider it to be similar to. It's not a very thick bag, but when you open this, it's all leather, and that's what I like about the Coach bags, is that they are all leather. It comes with this zip pocket on the front, and I still have this card in here. You can place something in here. I put the card back just to help maintain its structure. Even though it's a very structured bag, it doesn't need it. But I just tend to keep a lot of my packaging with my bags when I buy them. I just put it back in the bag. It comes with this open section right here. And in this section, this has eight credit card slots where you can put your credit card, so you don't have to carry like a separate card holder or a separate wallet. Now, I know some people, they struggle with this type of bag because they like to carry a card holder or a separate wallet. Myself, I am one of them, so I still carry like a slim card holder with this bag, even though it has the slots. And what I'll do is I'll put all of my other cards in here, like my value cards, my grocery store card, those type of, you know, odd cards that you really don't use, but you use when you go to like select places. Okay, and then it has a back pocket here. This back pocket is where I tend to keep like my cash and other slim type of receipts or papers, coupons, different things like that. And there is a back pocket. And that's what I like about this bag, is that you can put your phone in this back pocket. You can put different type of cards, and I have the cards that come with this here in the back pocket. And so I have it, of course, in pink and black. When I like something from Coach, I tend to buy in multiples, and I have actually had this bag in about 4 different colors. I had it in the signature canvas color, and I had it in like a type of melon type of color. I'm not really sure. It was like a rosy or melon type of pink color. And for those interested in the black, it's the same with this zipper compartment here in the front, this pouch, the credit card slots, and then the back. Now in the middle compartment, I'll usually put like my phone, I'll put lipstick, I'll put lip gloss, I'll put my keys. So I'll get some items and then I'll put it in here and kind of show you like a mini what fits, in case you have been eyeing this bag and you're curious but you're not really too sure it's going to be the right bag for you. Alright you guys, so we're going to start off with this here, and I'm going to use this bag first because it is light in interior, so you can see the items a little bit better inside. So if you're like me and you love to still carry a wallet or a card holder, I'm going to put this in here. Alright, so you see how that fits. If you have a compact mirror you want to carry, you have, I have a lip pencil and a lip gloss. Okay, I have a lipstick. Okay, so you want to put that in there. I'm going to put that to the side over here, because these two can easily pop in and out. You know, I don't have any structured place to put those, but they're just sitting right on top. Okay, if you are wanting to carry cash, I have some cash right here. I have like 15 bucks. Let me get it situated first. I normally fold my cash, so that's why it's already folded. But let's say you just want to put your cash in this front compartment to get to it easier. It's the perfect place for your cash and your change. So I have kept my cash and change in this front part right there. Just make sure that's all the way down in there and zip that up. All right, let's say you want to carry your mask. Okay. And you want to carry some hand sanitizer. For the sake of this being a small bag, I have little packets. I would stick those back here so I can get to them easily when I need to clean my hands. And I do have my keys, which I have it in a key case. Now normally this does fit in here. I wouldn't normally carry a compact mirror, but I'll show you once I rearrange some items. And then I have my phone, which I would always put in the back pocket anyway, just because conveniency, I want to be able to get to it. I'm always playing games or something on my phone, texting or doing something with it. So now this is pretty stuffed because I can feel the lip gloss and the pencil kind of falling toward the front. So I'm just going to set those on top and then button it up. And then there you have it. Now what I like about this bag is that when you put items in, it has this like little accordion style where this does stretch out when you put items in, so it allows room to add things, and it does expand, which is what I love. Now the bag, it does have a stuffed feeling, but I like this bag because it allows it to feel substantial and you don't feel like you're damaging the bag. So side view, back view. There's my phone, and it wears so nicely on the bottom, on the body. It's very slim. It's a slim fitting wallet. It's easy to carry. It's lightweight. Even with all these items packed in here, I find this bag still to be very lightweight and comfortable. So that's why I had so many. I gave one away as a gift, and then I think I sold one only because I had four of the same bags, and I was trying to have a little bit more of a variety and not try to continue buying the same bag in multiple prints, which I still do. But this is this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take out some of these items, and because I normally would carry my keys, I wouldn't carry a compact mirror. And I wouldn't have a lipstick and a lip gloss. Some occasions I would, based on where, if I'm not driving, then I wouldn't have my keys. Like if I'm going on a date with this bag, my husband would be driving, so I wouldn't necessarily need my keys. But if I was going out with my girls and I have to drive myself, then I would just stick. And again, I probably wouldn't have this big bulk of a wallet. My keys do fit in there. And actually, I'll take out some cards. If I find that carrying my wallet is too much of an issue, I will forego it and use like the cards that come in here. So for the sake of this video, I'll stick like a card in there. But you have the 8 card slots where you can put multiple cards and things. So I wouldn't necessarily need to carry this. So I have my keys in there. My phone is still in the back here. And if I really didn't want to carry like a bulky wallet, I could still put a lipstick. I could still put a lip gloss in case you really just love to have lip gloss. And I could still use my compact. So if I'm going out with the girls, this will be more so what I would carry. I would forego the actual wallet and my mask. I'll put that back in over here. And I will go ahead and button this up. There we go. All right. And just for showing you what's in there, there's my mask, my lip gloss, my lipstick. It's down here with the compact, and then my keys. All right. So again, depending on what you're carrying, you don't have to carry as bulky of a key fob or key holder. You can just take it out of that and just carry your keys, and that reduces, you know, the bulk of the bag. You can always take out your phone from the back pocket and slide this right in here, which I've done that lots of times too. So that allows you more room. If you want to carry a bigger hand sanitizer, Instead of the little packets, you can slide that right in there. So if you don't carry a cloth mask, but you carry one of these masks that don't fold, that's real convenient to just stick that right on top and close that right on up. All right, you guys. So again, I have it in both these colors. I think I bought the black one first, and then I bought the pink one when this one went on sale. But I love using them. I'll show you the wear and tear really quickly on my black one, which is I've worn this thing out because I've had this one since 2017, and I remember for a time when I wore it for maybe about 4 months straight. You can see, I'll step out. You can see on the edging where the glazing has separated from the leather. How hard it's going to be to see. One of the things that Coach will do is they will reglaze these for you. They will repair these items if you take them in. I just haven't. I think I paid about $55 or $56 for these. No more than $75. I want to say about $75 for the black and $56 for the pink because it went on sale after I had bought it. So right now the prices probably are different because again, this was back in 2017, 2018 when I bought these items. So Coach's prices go up and down. They change the names, they revamp them, they add something, they take something away. You know, so that may be the case right now. I will point out that this strap is removable. It does unbutton. What I will say about the new version is Coach actually put hooks a little closer to the outside so that you can add a chain to this and actually make it like a wallet on chain. I have tried to add a little chain to this, which you can. The only problem is this little strap here is quite wide, so you'd have to have a chain that's big enough to loop around it, which I do. I tried to use the Coach chain with this and I couldn't use the Coach chain. I had to use like an aftermarket chain, and I'll try to show you if I can what an aftermarket chain will look like on this. Okay, so I'm going to take off these straps here, which I like the ability to be able to convert it. You know, you can have it as a dressier bag, or you can dress it down and make it a little bit more casual. And I have this aftermarket chain that I bought off of eBay. And I'm going to attach the chain here. Here's the hook on that. All right, and there you go. You want to have a chain option with this bag. There you have a wallet on chain. All right, you guys, so that completes my review of the Anna Foldover Crossbody or the Hayden Crossbody Bag, whichever one you decide to get from Coach. Here are these beauties. If you have any questions on these bags, definitely leave me a comment and I will try to get to them if I can see them. Sometimes the comments don't pop up in my email and sometimes they'll get flagged on my videos, but I'll try to respond to any comments that you may have about these two bags right here. As always, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye.